to Cozy Home. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Today it was cool outside. I want to start getting back into the YouTube channel and videoing my cleaning and things that I do around the house. And I decided to go ahead and try Mrs. Meyer's home cleaning stuff that she has. I don't know if you guys ever seen this book. I had found this one at the Unique near me. It's a thrift store and I only paid $2 for it, so I was like, hey, let me get it. So far I kind of thought it was kind of cute, and she has what to clean on a weekly basis, a daily basis, twice a year and stuff like that, and I plan on sharing that with you guys later on. It also has a spring, fall and stuff like that type of cleaning list that I hope to share with you guys. But I'm gonna be doing her a clean a day every day section, and on her Mondays she does laundry days, so that's what I'm gonna tackle today, and then also do the daily task that we're gonna be doing. If you guys have a suggestion on a cleaning schedule that you guys would like me to try for a month, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to do as much research as I can, or find a book about it and read up on it, and then try that type of cleaning schedule for a month and share it with you guys. I hope you guys like this. She has quite a bit of different things for her each room that I plan on sharing too. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and go get that laundry done. Okay, we're up here in my lunchroom. Sorry it's kind of dark in here. We don't have the light plugged in or up yet because we're still working on this wall. Here, let me show you guys what we have done over the weekend. Well, more like my husband. So we got new wall on this wall and the shower wall. So we had to put a sealant. I believe it's called red something. Let me see if I can find it. It's called Red Guard, and it's a sealant that you put on your walls and everything. So we did that, and hopefully sometime this week we'll start tiling up this wall and everything. But anyways, I'll keep showing you little clips of our bathroom as we are working on it. It's taking us quite a bit of weeks, but we're only working on Saturday and Sundays because my husband works. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on my little laundry. I'm not big on doing laundry. I always do about 1 to 2 loads of laundry a day. I am a person that really doesn't like to sit down and do laundry. So I figured it out for myself is if I do 1 load in the morning and then 1 load around lunchtime, I usually could keep up on it. But when we have to do load after load, it really frustrates me and it gets on my nerves. And I just don't have the patience, and sometimes I will even forget that I had washed a load, and then the next morning when I go up there, I'm like, oh no, I've left this in there, so I'll have to rewash it and everything. How do you guys like to do your laundry? Are you like to do it all on one day, or do you guys like me, who like to spread it out and just do 1 load or 2 loads a day? I figured it was a lot easier for me to do this. I also have Jean and Logan, my 2 teenagers, doing their own laundry. I had started them doing their laundry when they were really young. I think it was around 6 or 7 years old. Sorry for Cable barking. But yeah, I started them doing their laundry super young, mostly like folding, drying, putting away and stuff like that. And now that they're teenagers, they wash their own laundry and take care of all of it. After I get done with my Monday task of doing the laundry, of washing, drying, and putting away, I'm going to do her daily cleaning, and that is wiping down the kitchen cabinets and the sinks, and then sweeping the floors, and then taking out the garbage. So let's go ahead and put away our laundry. Now that I am finished with my laundry day for Monday, I am going to start with wiping down the countertops, wiping down the kitchen sink, sweeping the floors, and then taking out the garbage. Right now I'm just going to slowly clean up the countertops so then I'm able to take care of them. If you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and put on your notification bell so that you guys are notified when I upload a new video. Also, leave me a comment below letting me know what kind of cleaning schedule you guys like to do, or again, if you want me to try out a cleaning schedule for the month of for the month of November, please leave me a comment below and I'll start doing some research on that. Now that I got done with all of the wiping down the countertops, I'm going to be cleaning my sink with Mrs. Meyer's baking soda. I love this stuff. I even like the smell that it has. If you guys use anything else on your sink, leave a comment below. Or if you guys also love this, let me know. I also tried Bar's Keeper a couple of times. I'm not fond of the powderness of it. I just been used to using like soft scrub and this one, Mrs. Meyer's. I like to dry my sink after I get done cleaning it. It helps with making it shiny, and it also helps it not to get any water spots. And if you really wanted to make it shiny, you can add a little bit of baby oil on your rag, and drying it that way also helps. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna finish sweeping the floors and call it a day. I might do a little bit of tidying up later on, depending on what needs to be tidied up before everybody gets back home from school and work. But I so far think I'm going to enjoy doing this Mrs. Meyer's cleaning home. It's really easy, simple. So if you are a person who struggles to just get moving and cleaning and want a simple cleaning schedule, I really recommend trying this type of schedule. It seems really simple. I didn't have a lot to do, so I think I'm gonna like it, to be honest, because I like to keep everything tidied up and keep going. The only thing I don't know if I'm gonna like is having only Mondays as my laundry day. I tend to do one load a day to keep up with our laundry. We'll see if I could just do Mondays, or I'm just gonna keep doing once a day. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below letting me know what you are cleaning on Monday and what is your favorite Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. I love using her baking soda that I used in the kitchen sink. Is one of my favorites. I tend to go through that bottle really fast because I use it in the showers, throughout the house, to be honest. So I think in a couple of days I'm going to share with you guys on her once a week, right here, list of things that we need to do. So, and then once a month, and we're gonna see how that turns out. And I'm also going to share what she recommends doing for the fall. So if you guys are looking for a cleaning schedule and what she recommends to do, please make sure you put on your notification bell so then you guys will be notified when I upload a new video. And once again, thank you, and I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye guys.